Did you know that there are two reasons why event planners and event designers don't maximize their income? The first is because they either can't remember everything that they have in their inventory or they can't find it. And the second reason is they don't know how to price their inventory for rentals. Hi, I'm Dr. Fabiola Martin of Essentials Consultants LLC, and I am a huge fan of Melanie Turner's Living Luxuriously for Less. In her event planning after dark video, she shared some things that you cannot charge your client for because they are non-billable hours. Now, I'm going to share with you some shortcut hacks on how you can charge your client for things that are already in your event planning inventory. Whether you design interior home decor or do party planning for birthday parties, proms, bride and groom weddings, baby showers, or anniversaries, if the decorations in your inventory include things like chandeliers, candelabras, boxwood greenery, balloon arches, backdrops, flowers, premium drapes, tall centerpieces, or glam tablecloths, these tips will help you. First, make sure that you know everything that is in your inventory. Store it in a way that you can easily be able to retrieve it. For example, if you don't have a warehouse and you only have a room in your house or you're using your garage, you can use storage racks on wheels that are similar to this one so that you can easily move things around if necessary. You can set up your storage room like a library, where you have rows of shelves with aisles to walk between them like this. No matter which way you arrange your shelves, label each shelf unit from A to Z like this. If you have a very small room, set up your shelves all the way around the outer walls like this. Set aside one portion of the room for the extra large items that do not fit on shelves. You can create squares using tape on the floor and label each square so that you can put your items back in the same place. Then, label each shelf as top shelf, first shelf, second shelf, third shelf, fourth shelf, bottom shelf. You can also label your shelves as left, right, and center so that you will know where you put things. For example, you put the pampas grass on the first shelf on the right. For further help in finding items, you can print 8 by 10 sheets of paper with extra large labels that tell you what is in your containers, like this. Now that you are organized, let's look at pricing to maximize your inventory rental income. An easy way to set up your inventory pricing is to base it on a percent of how much you paid for each of the items that you are going to rent. Then you will need to add profit to help cover some of your operating expenses. When you think about pricing, does your mind go back to the days in school when your teacher put up formulas that look like these? I know calculating a lot of numbers can be a little scary, but if you need help, I have a tool that can do all of the calculations for you. My quick pricing tool can help you with your inventory pricing as well as other things like material, labor, and transportation costs. No need to decide whether to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. The pricing tool has built-in formulas that calculate everything for you. It even calculates how to add profit, and it suggests how much profit you should charge. It also has a summary that updates instantly as you input new information. Click the link in the description below so that you can get started increasing your rental income. You will be saying, yes, this is exactly what I've been looking for. You need to be smart about making money on all of those items that you have collected in your event planning inventory. Go ahead, click the link below.